Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. I'm back showing a 3D butterfly card, but also I'm stamping a lattice background for this card, and I'm going to show you how I do that with a couple of shades of lighter colors. And so for the stamping, I have Unity Stamp Company, Remember to Breathe, and that is the butterfly stamp set. And I also have the background called Lattice, and I'm using scallops and rectangle nesting dies. And so with the Misty stamping tool, I just add 2 shades of sort of an ivory tan color, tans and salmon, I believe, color. I will list them all in the supplies, what colors they are. And I just variegate different looks. So I do part of the stamp with the darker and part of it with the lighter, and you can see it looks nice. I did 2 passes with the stamping to get a good impression. I'm just showing one here. I'm also using a Stamp Tabulous stamp press tool that I ordered, and I just love it. It's the first time I'm using it here, and it helps to get a good impression with the Misty. I use it again 2 times with the stamping for that butterfly as well, and I use more of a navy color, navy blue, for the butterfly. So I'm using sort of a hint of light orange, salmon-y color with the blue. I like those colors together, and I like the contrast. So this background already has a lot of detail. All I wanted to do was add a shade of the lighter color and using Copic markers. And I'm also using that same shade, the same hues for the butterfly. So I will list all the colors I use for Copics here on the blog and on my video. And so you'll go ahead and you just first start with the outer layer, whatever color you want. I chose this light peachy color, and then I put in a little bit of blue towards the center, and I came in with another darker shade of that peachy coral look. I blended them together a little bit. I wanted that blue to be in the middle. And then after it was all colored in, I just cut it out. It's fussy cutting with scissors, and I just trim around the edges. And then to finish the edges, I went ahead and added a little bit of Copic marker in dark blue to the edges of that butterfly. Now I curved up the edges. I used a bone folder, and I just pressed up for those wings, and then I pressed outward at the tip of the wings. And this just gives it a little shape. Now I added foam tape just the center to the center of that butterfly so that it's adhered to the card just in the center. And so the rest of it will pop up. So I die cut using the Unity dies for that rectangle background, and I added some flat double-sided tape. But before I did that, I went ahead and stamped the sentiment in that same navy color right onto that background lattice stamping. And I stamped it twice, and it came out really nice. And then you go ahead and you put the foam tape on the back of that 3D butterfly and just adhere it right over that sentiment, and just pop it up a little bit with your fingers. This will lay flat in an envelope, and just it will still pop up a little bit when you get it out of the envelope. It's really a fun greeting, very nice, encouraging card. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe if you will, like and share, and have a wonderful day.